Welcome back to the channel. I want to create this type of eye-catching map animation like the one you just saw right inside Canva. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open Canva and start a new design. Click on the video option and then select landscape video as your format. Since this works best for map style animations, next go to apps section from the left sidebar. In the search box, type map video to find the specific app we will be using for this effect. From the search result, select the app that appears. Once it opens, you will see several customization options, and from here you can adjust the duration of your video to match how long you want to animation to run. For this example, let's set the video duration to 5 or 10 seconds, which is a good length for a quick engaging clip. Then scroll down and changing the plane design. Go ahead and choose this particular style which gives the animation a nice smooth look. Now it's time to select your first country, meaning the starting point of your travel route on the map. For this example, we will choose Brazil as our starting location. Next, choose your destination country, which is where the plane icon will travel on the map. We'll select Spain as our destination for this demo. Once you are happy with your settings, click add text if you'd like to include a caption or label on your video. Then click create video and wait a few moments while Canva generates your animation in the background. And if you are not fully satisfied with the result and want to create it again with different settings, simply click start over, adjust your option as needed, and click create video once more to regenerate it. Finally, once your video animation is ready, drag and resize the video clip so it fits perfectly with your page or design canvas. And that's it. Your amazing professional looking map animation video is now ready to use. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.